So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show a new cryptocurrency mining website where you can mine cryptocurrency. This is the guys website where you can mine cryptocurrency. So let's get start. You can deposit also here. So guys, for I'll put a link of the website in description box. When you click the link, then you come this website. So when you first come, then you have to sign up here. So guys, for sign up, you have to click here and put username and email and password outside your passport. Then you can get registered. So guys, I am already registered, so I am going to log in here. So guys, for login, I'm going to log in here. So guys, so as you can see, this is my ID. So guys, I am here logged in. So guys, this is the website. Here you can see my LTC is mining here, and you can mine this all cryptocurrency which want to mine. We want to mine which. So guys, you can choose and mine any cryptocurrency that are given. So guys, so you have, when you come first in this website, so 0% GPU started, then you can push to 100%. When you push 100%, then mining automatic starting. So you can starting any cryptocurrency, mining started, and here are some more feature also. So I'll show you here. Here you can do deposit also here. When so guys, I don't say you to deposit here. Maybe this website can and here is also option to withdraw money. Guys, for money here you can see this is my LTC mined here 0.0. You can mine any cryptocurrency, then here you can withdraw. So guys, for withdraw you have to click in withdraw button, and you have to click here amount, how much amount you want to withdraw. So guys, you can enter like 0.18. I have mined already. So guys, you can put your valid address, and you can get withdraw from here. So guys, this is the website, and here is more feature also. You can do refer here also your friend and families, and here is the website. So guys, this is for today. So guys, please don't forget to come here, and this is very good website. This is a genuine website also, and I don't force you to deposit here. So guys, you can your choice. You can deposit also. You can not deposit also there. So guys, we can see this website is very good. I'll put the link in the description of the video of this website. Link in description, so you can click and come here. And thank you for watching video. Make sure to share and subscribe. For more video, please subscribe and click bell icon for get fast video.